Hawkins with Native Arizona Adventures, and we just had our January outing, and I got these awesome gifts from Lynea and John. Got some Onyx and some Geodes. Let's cut them open. Let's see what's inside. Thank you so much, Lynea and John. I really appreciate you. Wow. Look at those bands. Thank you so much. These are amazing. Wow. That is some gorgeous stuff. Now on to the geodes. What? Look at that calcite crystal in there. That is insane. The plume. Geronimo geodes. Wow. Look at that blue and the orange. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna cry, Lynea. Thank you so much. This means so much to us. We really appreciate it. Much love.